Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix graphics card not detected on Windows 10 or 11. So for both of the operating systems, fix is the same. So let us go to the fix. So the first one you need to do is go to the search section right here. Search for system configuration and head over there. And once you're there, just click on normal startup and then just you will get okay, and then restart your PC like so. So it might help your graphics card to get recognized by your computer. And if it doesn't, then go to search. Now go to device manager. You can also navigate it from control panel. So once you're in your device manager, just click on your PC or computer and click on action. Now click on scan for hardware changes. Now it will scan all together your PC for any type of hardware change. Now you have to go to display adapters, and here you will find your graphics card that you have inserted with your PC. So if you find it out, just right click on it, then go to update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. Now make sure you have your graphics card attached to it and got the installation of your driver. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.